In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create a link server to a named instance. So here I have my standalone and here is the named instance. So you want to expand server objects, right click link servers, select new link server. Now generally most people select SQL server and then specify the name of the server that they are connecting to. However, this is not ideal when you're connecting to a named instance, right? Because you're going to have the server name slash the name of the instance. So what you do is select other data source, ensure that the provider selected is SQL Server. Here you can provide a name for the link server connection. So let's call this demo. And then you specify the data source name, which is the name of the server and then slash the instance name. Then go to security. Now for logging into the remote server, we'll be made using this security context. So here is going to specify the login username and password that is on the remote server. So I don't have a user at this point, so I'm going to create a login on the named instance. So it's demo. So before you hit OK, let's go back to general. Ensure that you have a product name. And this is the name of the link server. So let's select OK here. And then under databases, you'll see your link server shown as demo. So you don't need to specify the entire SQL server name. For more training, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link is in the description of this video.